Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Black color, red color, light green color, teal color, orange color, yellow color, dark blue color, purple color, sky blue color, pink color, brown color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Purple color. A for elevator. M for man. S for star. W for window. Gray color. D for door. L for lychee. P for pen. Z for zipper. Green color. F for fish. I for ice cream. T for tiger. V for van. Yellow color. B for butterfly. G for grapes. J for juice. U for uniform. Y for yum. Dark blue color. E for energy. K for king. O for oxygen. X for X-ray. Red color. C for coffee. H for hand. R for rainbow. Lime color. N for nest. Q for quilt. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye-bye. Hello kids. Dark blue color, violet color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, light green color, red color, yellow color, brown color. Today we'll learn some shapes. Heart, circle, cross, triangle, star, square. Heart. Circle. Cross. Triangle. Star. Square. Red color. Orange color. Light green color. Purple color. Yellow color. Dark blue color. Heart, circle, cross, triangle, star, square. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.